Hi boys and girls, happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you were extra special and nice and gave mommy lots of kisses yesterday for Mother's Day. I hope you had a nice family day. But it's Monday, it's back to school, back to get to work again on our morning meeting. So let's start with our calendar, okay everybody? So pick out your May calendar. Everyone should be up to date. Hold on, Archie's crying. I gotta pick Archie up. He wants to say hello. Say hello, Archie. Okay, don't know why he's crying, but I guess he wants to join us. So anyway, let's take out our May calendar. Everyone should be ready to go from our morning meeting. Stop trying to eat the numbers, Archie. On Friday. Let's then talk about what came next. After Friday comes what day of the week? Okay, goodbye, Archie. After Friday came Saturday, and it was still the month of May. And if Friday was the 8th, what number was Saturday? What was the date on Saturday? Good. After the 8th comes the 9th, and we make a 9th to look like a number 9. Saturday, May 9th. Find Saturday on your calendar and write in a 9. A circle and a line, that's the way you make a 9. Good job. Okay, then after Saturday, it was still the weekend on that special Mother's Day. After Saturday came Sunday, and it was May. Now, if Saturday was the 9th, what was Sunday? The 10th, very good. And we make a 10th, a 1, and a 0. I'm gonna put that on our calendar and move down to your next row, below number 3, and let's write in a 10, a 1, and a 0 for Sunday, May 10th. Now, that leads us to today. The weekend is over, it's time to get back to schoolwork. So what is our first day of the school week? If yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, May. If yesterday was the 10th, today is the 11th. Very good. And we make an 11 that looks like a 1 and a 1. Okay, so Monday, May 11th. Very good. So find Monday in your calendar and write in an 11, a 1 and a 1. Let's do today is. Okay, everyone's calendar is ready. You're ready to go. Today is Monday, May 11th. Very good. Today is Monday, May 11th. I can't believe it. It's May 11th already. Good job. Okay, let's go through our days of the week. We already talked about a couple days of the week, but let's start from the beginning. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. We've said it a couple times. Today is Monday. And if today is Monday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Awesome. And if today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. After Monday comes Tuesday. Good job. You guys should have the days of the week down, no problem. Whether you see the word or you're just remembering the days of the week in order, we all should know that now by the almost end of kindergarten. Awesome. Okay, flip on over to your weather graph and take a look outside your door or your window and see what is the weather today. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Once you figure that out, color in one rectangle in your weather graph. And think about what our season is right now. Is it winter? Is it spring? Is it summer? Or is it fall? Those are our 4 seasons. You're right, it is spring. The season is spring. Flowers are blooming. Hopefully we're going to see some more sunshine and the weather is going to keep getting warmer. Okay, now let's move over. I think we're good with our calendar. Let's move over to our calendar notebook. Okay, we make sure we got everything. We do. Good. Okay, I'm flipping over to my second page. Everybody ready? Get your crayon or your pencil ready. Now, when we were together on Zoom doing our morning meeting on Friday, how many days were we in school then? 158. Good job. 158 days of learning. We're back together one more day, learning one more day. What comes after 158? 159. And we make that by saying 1, 5, and I'm going to take this out because it's a 1, a 5, and a 9. 159. Find that on your calendar notebook and trace it in. 1, 5, 9. 159. Good. Okay, so let's talk about our straws now and our place value, okay? So we're talking about how many straws that we have for 159 days of learning. So the first place value is the hundreds place, and we have 1 bundle of 100 straws. In the tens place for 159, we have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of 10. And for 159, in the ones place, how many straws should we have? How many ones should we have? 9. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh, but we're supposed to have 9 ones, so what should I do? Add 1 more. Good job. And now we have 9 ones for 159. 1 bundle of 100, 5 tens, and 9 ones. 159 days of learning. Awesome. Flip on over to our 10 frames. Let's go through our 10 frames. Flip on over. I'll give you a second. We know that we count by tens for our 10 frames. That's what makes it easy for us to be able to count quicker, is by counting by tens. So let's go for it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158. But it's 159 today, so color in 1 more square. And now that we colored in 1 more square, 8 plus 1 is 9. We have 9 in that 10 frame box, 159 all together. How many days of learning do we have left in kindergarten? How many days do we have left? Count those empty 10 frame boxes. It's getting closer and closer. 21. Good. We've got 21 days of kindergarten left. Awesome. Flip on over to odd and even sneakers. They should be looking nice and beautiful as well. And again, 159 days of learning. Is that an odd number or is it an even number? 159. It's an odd number. 9 is odd, and we always look in the ones place. So color in 1 sneaker and make sure that it's all by itself, because an odd number is all alone. It doesn't have a partner. You guys did awesome on Friday when we did those super big numbers, figuring out if they were odd and even, because remember, just have to look at the ones place to figure out if it's odd and even. Doesn't matter how big it is. Okay, we're moving nice and quick today. Let's move over to our tally marks. We should be caught up from Friday. We've got 3 rows with our doors shut. We have 4 boxes with our doors shut at the bottom, and 1 box with 3 tally marks. 158 days of learning. Awesome. So we need to get to 159. So what do I have to do? If I have 158, if I add 1 more in that box, and I'm going to get to 159 days of school. Awesome, looks good. So I have 4 tally marks in that box, which means tomorrow, what will we be doing tomorrow? Boom, we're gonna be shutting that door, because we always shut the door every time we get to a 5. But not today. Today, we're just in 4 for that box. All together, 159. Good job. Okay, We're doing good with our calendar notebook. Let's flip to that first page. And let's take out our number mysteries paper. I'll wait for you guys to get settled because I also have to think of a really good number. I think I've got a good number today to work for our number mystery. Let's go kind of like a small medium number. Let's do 11. Let's make our number of the day 11. That's easy to write. A 1 and a 1 makes an 11. Good. So write that in your number mysteries paper. Find a box and let's do 11, a 1 and a 1. And then use your calendar notebook to help you if you need, or use just in your brain to fill in what's 1 more, what's 1 less than 11. What is 10 more than 11? And what is 10 less than 11? Good job. Number of the day is 11. Good, good, good. Okay. Last but not least is going to be our sight word. Today, you have learned 4 sight words so far for the month of May. And we're just going to review them again today to make sure that you don't forget them before we add on another word. So today your sight word lesson is at home to finish your sight word grid. I put a sight word grid on the computer that you can print out, or you can ask mommy or daddy to draw one in your journal for you. And you are going to find the word up 4 times on your sight word grid and color it in. You are going to find the word down 4 times on your sight word grid and color it in. Then make sure that you find the word said 4 times and color it in. And the last one is our longest sight word of the whole year, looking. Find it 4 times on your sight word grid and color it in. When you're all done, have a picture, take a picture of that sight word grid and send it over to Mrs. Gaffney. I think we're doing pretty good for Monday. I think our calendars, our notebooks, our sight words, our number of the day is done. So we're going to finish up. Go ahead and get to work either on your foundations. You've got some Raz Kids books to do today. We've got some reading comprehension to do today. Hopefully you've been enjoying doing that last week. I've got a new story for you to read and answer some questions to this week. So have a great week. Have a great Monday, and I will see you later. Bye, boys and girls.